Okay, welcome back to Jimmy D's RC. Thanks for stopping by again. Moment of truth. We're going to have a crack at getting that EDF unit out of the fuselage of the P-15, and hope I don't cause too much damage. All this for a rudder mod. I hope it works out. Let's have a crack. And there she is. So now it's just a matter of the radio. All right, and then we're ready for a maiden. So let's look up here. There we go, thank you. Lippisch P.15 with rudder mod. Nice and clean, as you can see, right? It's just a simple servo inside the vertical fin, attached via push rod and control horn to the rudder. And all I did was slice the bottom of the rudder, and I'm just using the foam as a hinge. I'm probably going to want to reinforce that with some hinge tape because as we all know, after a while, foam hinges do give up. And if it gives up in flight, I don't know how much of a drama it'll be, but of course, we'd rather not have it give up in the first place. So a bit of hinge tape is probably a good idea. So other than that, man, now it's time to do radio installation, control throws, center of gravity check, and then we're ready for a maiden. So pretty excited. I might give this a shot tomorrow. We'll post an in-flight video. It's not going to be very good because it's small and it's good. It's pretty quick. And all I'm going to be able to record it with is this thing, unless somebody's got a drone or something they can chase me with on the day. But yeah, pretty excited, pretty happy. That's a solid little model, isn't it? Looks pretty good. And just hope that rudder mod does what I hope it or expect it to. But yeah, very happy. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was entertaining, a bit different than usual perspective. Maybe you get to see the work a bit better. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you thought. If you like this better or you like the other style video better, maybe where I just do it quick. You know, where I do the time lapse and you don't have to listen to all the talking and watch the glue dry, as it were. So let me know what one you like and I'll endeavor to do more of those. So again, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe if you liked the video. If you didn't, thanks for watching this far. And you guys go have a great day. Happy flying next time you're out there. All the best.